I'm very happy thanks to Ate Mel Canete. Paulo Cruzada was being blacklisted in CDIFI. Why you just been blacklist? Remember, it's up to the teacher Evelyn. You know teacher Evelyn, she blacklists Paulo Cruzada in the alma mater of CDIFI. Oh, if I were you, Paulo Cruzada, you are blacklist. But thank you, Teacher Evelyn. Teacher Evelyn Caja, thank you, Teacher May Tiburcio, thank you, J. Rick Silva, Joseph Maspinas, Sophia Ahmad Sultan, and even my other friends. I just want to say thank you. Oh, Paulo Cruzada was being humiliated. Just remember, the abnormal person who um, was being convicted of rape joke. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, if you harass teacher Evelyn, she will blacklist you in the CDIFI alma mater. Oh, just remember, why I threatened to shoot a pellet gun at Jordan Pilapil? Because she is trying to be friends with Paulo Cruzada. Remember, if you are a Catholic, Jordan Pilapulpul, ha, do not defend Paulo Cruzada. Ilaglag mo yan si Paulo Cruzada. You know that, Jordan Pilapulpul. Jordan Abnormal Palilpil. Oh, remember, ilaglag mo na yan si Paulo Cruzada. You know, like I said to you, Jordan Pilapil, I say again, ilaglag mo na yan si Paulo Cruzada. Napakabastos ang ugali niya, like whatsoever. For me, Paulo Cruzada is not really good person. Are you blind, Jordan Pilapil, that Paulo Cruzada, he harassed your former principal of CDIFI, Teacher Evelyn? Remember, Teacher Evelyn is very angry at Paulo Cruzada. Galit na si Teacher Evelyn. For me, I've been talking with J. Rick Silva at the time. I told him, kinuwento ni Teacher Evelyn, biktima din ng harassment dahil kay Paulo Cruzada. Jordan Pilapil, if I were you, unfriend Paulo Cruzada. Block him in Facebook. It's simple. Because Paulo Cruzada is not our friend anymore. He is our enemy of the CDIFI Special School. The enemy. Look at what did Paulo Cruzada message at Kuya Joel Tolentino. Nonsense.